Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate bonus depreciation strategy in Drake Tax, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate the bonus depreciation strategy in Drake Tax, begin by opening the Drake Tax software on your computer. Navigate to the client file that you wish to work on. Go to the Data Entry tab located in the upper menu. Select the Depreciation section from the drop-down menu. Review the assets already entered in the Depreciation section. To add a new asset, click on the Add button. Enter the asset information, including the description and cost. Ensure the asset class is appropriate for bonus depreciation eligibility. In the Method field, select Bonus or the equivalent option for bonus depreciation. Enter the acquisition date. Verify that the placed in service date corresponds to the current tax year. Make sure the Section 179 checkbox is unchecked if you are solely utilizing bonus depreciation. Check the regular depreciation field to ensure it is set correctly, as it will automatically adjust based on the bonus methods chosen. Review the calculations shown for bonus depreciation. If necessary, make adjustments to ensure compliance with tax regulations. Once the entries are complete, save your changes. Close the depreciation entry window to return to the main client file. You can now proceed to generate the necessary tax forms. Review the final output to confirm that the bonus depreciation has been accurately reflected. This completes the activation of the bonus depreciation strategy in Drake Tax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.